Hey everyone, today's a beautiful day for some gardening. I have soil. I have some plants from last year. I want to put these plants in big pots. So I have my soil and I have some gardening tools. And some more pots, some water, and some gloves. I also have some different seeds for this year. This year I bought some yellow beans, some chives, tomato, cilantro, lettuce, peas, and parsley. These are all seeds. I'm going to put some soil in the pot. We'll put some plant food in the plants. These guys are in bigger pots. We have happy plants. Put some plant food. There we go. And some water. Now we have some happy house plants. This is aloe and lemon tea, and that one back there is orchid. I put my gloves on and I'm going to start some small potato tomato plants. Some soil and make a mess. My husband can vacuum later. He will be so happy. And soil on the floor, soil on the table. My husband is shopping right now, so he will be happy when he comes home. Anyway, we have some small tomato seeds. And we're just gonna plant them doop, 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 in the soil. Water the tomatoes. I'm going to put some chives in these 3 pots. Chives grow. They go up, they grow fast. So easy and good in food. So I am finished for today. Today is cold outside, so today I will plant inside, and after, when it gets warm, I will plant outside on my deck at my apartment. I don't have a house. I have an apartment, but you can make a small garden. Here are some photos from last year.
Last year we did vegetables, we made salad, and we grew some herbs and we dried them to use in our cooking. It is very easy to grow food at your house. It's fun to do, and it's fun to do with your family, with your children, or with your friends. And then you can have really good food to eat later in the year. So remember, you are like a plant. You should drink water and you should eat vegetables and fruit, get good sleep, and you will feel happy. Thank you for watching.